today's tips and tricks. Today I'm going to be teaching you a super fun jump called the pike. So let's get started.
Great.
Alright guys, to start this jump, you're going to chasse to the side. So you go chasse, beating those feet up in the air, crossing in front. You're then going to bring that foot through passe and extend out to your corner. And you're going to pike your other leg up, transferring that weight, and then crossing over. Alright guys, let's break that down one more time. So, starting with your chasse to the side, chasse, cross in front, break that foot through passe and extend, and pike, and cross in front. Alright, now let's try that fast. Starting with that chasse. If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and come back next week for more tips and tricks.